Hey everybody, it's Mary Habersky here, also known as yogasurflove. I'm very excited to be testing out a chemical peel at home, which I've never done before. This one is actually coming just straight to your door from Platinum Skincare. Very, very simple instructions, and I'm gonna guide you through my first at-home chemical peel. Now, I went with the lightest one because this is my first introduction to doing it, and I just wanted to make sure that I'm not doing anything too aggressive for my skin just out of the go. So I decided to do the Lactic 50. Now, everything that you need comes with it. The prep for it is very simple. It's just a little bit of alcohol, 90%, on a gauze, and you just want to rub it onto the areas that you're going to be treating. So you want to make sure that you're getting some nice strokes there, going horizontally through the bridge of the nose and under the eyes. Just be careful because you can feel that little bit of a stinging from it. I'm also going to go down into the neck area as well because I want to keep that area of myself nice and youthful. I'm just going to take a couple of strokes here, and by the way, I did prep before this with the wonderful glycolic face wash that they sent. So I still had a little residue of dirt on me. I'm glad that we did the alcohol first. So this already comes in the packet. I pre-washed my face before the video. So really, really simple. You can do these anywhere from 1 to 2 times a week. It comes with all of these vials, and there's many uses in each vial. So I'm just gonna grab one. There's a little safety seal on it. I have just a little tiny dish that I'm gonna put a little bit into and soak it up with the gauze that they send to you. And this little bit of gauze here, there's a number of packages for you, and it also comes with this really great Aftercare emu oil too to help to nourish the skin after. I'm just gonna take my little piece of gauze here into my tiny little dish and let that soak for just a few seconds. And you don't want it to be drenched. You want to make sure that you have it saturated but not dripping wet. So I'm just going to make sure that it's not too wet by just giving it a little squeeze here to make sure it's not dripping out. And really simply, I'm just going to follow the same pattern that I did for the alcohol. So I'm just taking those little horizontal strokes, and I'll let you know how it feels as we're doing this. Not anything really stinging in this moment, so that's good, but you never know. You want to avoid the eye area there and not get too close. I'm just going in these little upward kind of horizontal strokes, and I got a good amount on there, so I feel like it's pretty saturated, and now I'm starting to feel a little tingle. So similar to what I've felt before in different masks that I've done. And I'm gonna really focus, so I have a little bit of this hyperpigmentation on my upper lip area, probably hormonal. So I'm gonna tuck in my lip and just really get in there. Really good. Because that's a little area that I need a little more attention and love, and just take those same strokes that I took on the neck. And because this is my first time, I'm only gonna leave it on for about a minute or so. You can go anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes on your first time. I'm just gonna have a minute because I wanna make sure that I'm not really overdoing it the first time. As I said, I'm new to this, so I wanna make sure it's a pleasant experience. In this time, you can go ahead and grab either a really cold washcloth, or I put ice cubes in a bowl with a washcloth, and that'll be what we take to remove the acid from the face. And because this is a down season for surfing, this is a perfect time for me to be able to do this. We've actually had some rain. I'm not gonna be able to go into the water. You just wanna be careful with doing peels that you're not really exposing yourself to too much sunlight. Really not, it's kind of counterintuitive for doing the peel. So now is the perfect time for me because the sun is not out, it's been gloomy. Plus I'm gonna still continue with sunscreen after this in order to make sure that my face is fully protected. And honestly, this is not feeling too, it's just like a very light tingle. Like I've actually done face masks that have a more pungent tingle to them. This one, there's not a lot of flaking. You can see there's not really too much redness going on here at all. Like my skin doesn't feel like it's being like really aggressively burned off or anything like that. So, which is wonderful because like I said, I'm brand new to doing these from home, so I just wanted to make sure I started light just to give something to resurface the first layer of my skin and just brighten things up a little bit, especially that little bit of pigmentation and any little bit of acne scarring that I might have. So we're at a minute now. I'm just gonna take my washcloth and remove it how I put it on. So we're just gonna take those same brush strokes and just, this feels actually quite nice because it is cold and soothing for that little bit of tingle that I was feeling. But again, it's really not aggressive. It doesn't feel uncomfortable, just a subtle little tingling here. And I would definitely recommend doing those ice cubes. That's a really nice little touch. Just wanna make sure I get my lip really good. And remember that you're gonna tuck those lips in as well like you did before so you don't get any of that product on your tender little lips there. And now you can either do another application for a little bit longer or just wait a little later in the week to do the second round, which is what I'm gonna do because I just, like I said, I just wanna be going through this gently at first. And you can see there's like a subtle redness after I wiped my face. I still feel a little bit of tingling even though the water has neutralized it and gotten it off. So if just extra little touch-ups if there's any areas that I'm feeling like there's a little more that needs to be removed. But it feels good. My skin feels very clean right now. I'm really, just really nice. So now they have this certified emu oil that we are gonna use and replenish the skin. And this particular one that we're doing actually can bring more moisture into your skin. You think about doing these peels that you wouldn't really feel that you're moisturizing your skin, that it'd be taking off the layers of skin, but what this one in particular does, the Lactic 50, is helps to boost the hydration in your skin. So I'm just gonna add a little to that with this emu oil. Oh, that feels awesome. Just take it in upwards motion, just really nice, good little sheen on my face here. And that is that. It only took a little over 5 minutes to do a full-on peel for my face. It looks great, it feels great. I can't wait to keep using it for the next few weeks to really see all of the results. So they are so convenient at this Platinum Skin that Platinum Skincare. And they send you a little package and you can always call. They have a hotline you can call if you're confused about what you're doing or go online. They have tons of videos as well. So it's all very user friendly. And that was it. It was really easy. I'm so grateful that I got to be a part of using this wonderful skincare line. Thank you.